Hey Jaguars, welcome to another week at Jefferson, where Jaguar leaders discover ways to use their ideas and hands to change the world. It's time for our weekly announcements for February 8th through February 12th. Beginning Monday, February 8th, all KCS face-to-face learners will be in session 5 days a week. Our menu for the week is as follows. Monday, snack bag, Go-Gurt, string cheese, Doritos, and Bug Bites. On Tuesday, chicken on slider buns. Wednesday, hamburger cheeseburger. Thursday, chicken pot pie. And Friday, cheese sticks with marinara sauce. Jaguars, thank you for continuing to correctly wear your mask, choosing to wash your hands often, and continuing to practice social distancing. Please communicate with your teacher if you're not feeling well or someone in your home is under quarantine or has tested positive for COVID. Jefferson families, once again, please familiarize yourself with the FAQ for COVID-19 absences that's posted on this slide. Hot off the press from Mrs. Statham, our PE teacher. Jaguars, hopefully within the coming weeks we will have an exact amount on the money we raised during our Heart Healthy Challenge. I will be mailing the envelopes this week, and we will have a total once it has been counted. Prizes will be given when an order is placed. Thank you to everyone who donated to help change the world. You make me Jaguar proud. Thank you, Mrs. Statham, for that update. Tuesday, February 9th is Jefferson Spirit Night at Braden's Barbecue on Eastman Road. This is a takeout-only family night. You can purchase a box meal, which will include barbecue sandwich, beans, chips, and small drink. The price is $10 for adults, $7 for children. $3 per box that's sold will go to Jefferson Elementary. You may call ahead at 423-378-0500, but it's not necessary to make that call. So come on out between the hours of 4 and 7 p.m. and support our school and celebrate not having to cook. Our previously online session regarding online safety for children has been rescheduled for Tuesday, February 9th from 9 a.m. until 10 a.m. The presenter will be Amanda White from the Children's Advocacy Center. She is the Prevention Educational Coordinator. Once again, we will send out the Zoom link on Class Dojo Monday afternoon, and the link is also posted on this slide. And now it's time to celebrate our Jaguars who have a birthday this week. Celebrating a birthday on February 10th in 3rd grade is Cruz L. And on February 13th in 1st grade is David C. Happy birthday, Jaguars, and enjoy celebrating. You are a wonderful gift to our world. And now join me for some words of wisdom. Jaguars, the month of February is full of so many celebrations. We started out the month with Groundhog's Day. You know, Groundhog Phil saw his shadow, and as legend holds, that means 6 additional weeks of heavy coats and mittens. Then came National School Counseling Week, and on February 14th is Valentine's Day. February 21st is President's Day. The 3rd week of February is National Kindness Week. It's also Heart Healthy Month as well as Black History Month. Wow, that's a lot of celebrating. So Jaguars, what are some words or phrases or people that come to your mind when you see all of these? I think of words like warmth, self-care, mental health, leadership, love, celebrating each other, and helping our fellow man. I think of some amazing people. Mrs. Ellis, one of my school counselors. I see through my eyes of love my husband, sons, grandsons, and daughters in love. I see Abraham Lincoln, my favorite president. I see Jaguars who have used their hands and compassionate hearts to help others in South Sudan, Africa, the Smoky Mountains, Texas, and California. I think of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., Booker T. Washington, Dr. Ben Carson, Dorothy Vaughan, Mary Jackson, Katherine Johnson, all Black Americans who have used their brilliant minds and compassion for people to make a positive difference in our world. They are people who have chosen to lead us by example as we hold to these truths that all men are created equal. Jaguars, let's continue to take the lead and celebrate the giftedness in each other. Wow, February is a month to be celebrated. Jaguars, now you may join your teacher or your family for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.